So this is my DIY 5S 18650 battery pack. I'm using this as a universal battery for all my power equipment, sort of like a backup battery. But in order to safely use the battery pack, you would have to have some protection, like a fuse, and also some thermal protection. If it gets too hot, it should disconnect from your tool. So this is what is used. This is a thermistor, and this is attached to the T and negative terminal. So when the thermistor gets heated, when it senses that the battery pack is too hot, the resistance at the T and negative terminal would lower, and then that would signal to the drill that your battery is overheated. So let's see if it works. Okay. So you see now my finger is still on the trigger and it's blinking. So the drill is no longer working because this is getting really hot. Just like when this is stuck in the battery pack, if the pack gets too hot and it's about to blow up, then it would signal the drill to stop working. So without the thermistor, the drill wouldn't run. It would just blink. So now without the thermistor, it wouldn't work. With some type of equipment, like this one here, you can run the vacuum without the thermistor, but that would not be good because then you can overheat the battery. So this Hyper Tough has the sensor here to protect your battery. Of course, if you use the Hyper Tough battery, then you would have no problem. You can theoretically fool the battery into thinking that you do have thermal protection, and you do that by putting a resistor. In this case here, this is a 10K resistor. You can put it between the T terminal here and the negative. If you do that, you can trick the drill into thinking that you have thermal protection, but that wouldn't be a good idea, because if you keep running the drill without actual protection, your battery can overheat, right? Some people say their finger is a safety. They know when to stop using the drill, but that may not be a good idea. So the better thing to do is to have this sensor stuck inside your battery so that it senses over temperature of your pack. So just to demonstrate, now I just have a resistor attached to the T and the negative terminal, a 10K. So the drill would actually work now. Because the drill is fooled into thinking that there is actually thermal protection when there is not. So if you want to make a battery pack for your tools, you need like a thermistor, you need overcurrent protection, you need balance charging to make a battery pack that would last a long time. With the cheap batteries, the balancing is not very good if they have any to begin with. The very expensive battery, they have better cell balancing, but eventually they'll go bad. Whereas if you are making your own battery, then you can have all those problem areas under control.